Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics in everyone's life: how to make more money. Whether you're saving for something big, paying off debts, or just want to boost your income, I've got you covered with 10 simple steps that can transform your financial game. These are practical, actionable tips that anyone can apply starting today. So, if you're ready to turn your financial goals into reality, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. First things, you can't make more money unless you know why you want it and how much you need. Here's what you do: write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want to save $10,000 for a new car by next year." Break it down into monthly or weekly targets. This will give you a roadmap to follow and make it easier to track your progress. Trust me, clarity is power. Step 2. Create multiple streams of income. One of the best ways to make more money is by creating multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky and limiting. Here are some ideas. Start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Monetize a hobby like photography, baking, or writing. Consider part-time gigs like food delivery or online tutoring. Launch a small e-commerce store through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Having multiple income streams not only increases your earning potential but also gives you a safety net if one stream slows down. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Here's the truth: to make more money, you often need to level up your skills. Education and training are investments that can pay off big time. Take online courses on in-demand skills like digital marketing, coding, or graphic design. Websites like Coursera or Udemy are great places to start. Attend workshops or seminars in your field to gain an edge. Read books on personal finance, productivity, or industry-specific knowledge. The more you know, the more you can earn. Step 4. Start budgeting effectively. Here's the thing: making money is only half the battle. Keeping it is the other half. A solid budget can help you maximize every dollar you earn. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your income and expenses. Categorize spending into needs, wants, and savings. Look for areas to cut unnecessary expenses, like unused subscriptions or eating out too often. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest or use to grow your income. Step 5. Leverage passive income streams. Wouldn't it be amazing to make money while you sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. Here are a few ways to get started. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or real estate. Create digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Start a blog or YouTube channel that earns ad revenue. While it takes time and effort up front, the rewards can be ongoing and substantial. Step 6. Sell unused items. Chances are, you have a gold mine sitting in your home, unused items you no longer need. Declutter and sell things on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Focus on high-demand items like electronics, furniture, or gently used clothing. Not only will you make extra cash, but you'll also create a cleaner, more organized space. Step 7. Network like a pro. Here's a tip many people overlook: your network is your net worth. Building strong connections can lead to new opportunities, better paying jobs, and even collaborations. Attend local meetups or join online communities in your field. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or mentorship from successful people. Always be ready to offer value in return. A single conversation can change your financial trajectory. Step 8. Negotiate your pay. Do you know that most people leave money on the table because they don't negotiate? Whether you're accepting a new job or asking for a raise, negotiation is key. Research market salaries for your role. Practice your pitch and highlight your accomplishments. Be confident and prepared to walk away if needed. Remember, you're worth what you negotiate, not what you're offered. Step 9. Learn to invest wisely. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Start small, but start smart. Begin with index funds or ETFs, which are safer for beginners. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Take time to learn about the stock market or consult with a financial advisor. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow thanks to compound interest. Step 10. Stay consistent and patient. Finally, consistency is the secret sauce to making more money. It's not about quick wins. It's about sustained effort. Stick to your goals, even when progress feels slow. Review and adjust your strategies regularly. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with perseverance, it's inevitable. And there you have it. 10 simple steps to help you make more money and achieve financial freedom. Which step are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more amazing tips on personal finance and success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated and keep working toward your dreams.